what's up everyone? I'm Quay, that's my boy Josh.
And we are Pray for Traction.
So welcome back to Project Restore Life. Now, as you may be able to see, may not because he's big, but we got the engine out of the car. So we'll show you guys the clip of us coming back after the Christmas party and finish pulling out all 20 horsepower of that bad boy. And after we got the engine out, we need to continue on. So Josh actually pulled the seats out. We'll show you a clip of that as well. I wasn't here for that one, unfortunately, but the reason being is we need to be able to access the tunnel. Now, we just have these sitting in here for now. They're not bolted in or anything, just to be out of the weather, but we're going to need to pull this carpet back, and we are going to install a no-name kit. It's going to sandwich in the transmission mount there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go down there and get all of that out of the way. We're going to tackle this painful job of removing all those braces down there. So we heard that's a big pain in the ass, so we just went out and we bought some extra bits to get those drilled out for the spot welds. We were going to take an air hammer to it because we had seen someone had mentioned that, but after getting under there and seeing what it involves, air hammer is just not the way to do it. So went out and bought the right tools, and let's get it done.
guys? It's Josh here. You're watching Pray for Traction. And as you can tell, Quay's not here. He's currently at work, but I'm going to do something simple, taking out the seats of the BRZ. It's not too hard. I'll show you guys what we have to work with. So we're going to have 2 bolts back here, have 2 bolts up here, and then there's going to be some electrical under the seats. I'll get back with you guys after I get them out. Peace. Hey, what's going on, guys? Just took the seats out of the BRZ. Fairly simple. Like I said, 4 bolts and some electrical. But the seats, they look pretty. They're in perfect condition and they ride comfortable. But while I was taking them out, I ran into a minor inconvenience of the headrest being so long and the car being so narrow that I kept getting caught up here. But just popped them off real quick. This is what the car is looking like. No engine and transmission. Nice and roomy. There's the FA20 over there. No longer need that. 20 horsepower. So thank you guys so much for all your likes and comments on social media. Me and Quay have really been enjoying the project and being with you guys. You guys support us so much, especially on YouTube. All the comments and likes and subscribes. Thank you guys. Just keep sharing us and telling us to your friends and all that. But as always, peace out, guys. We're just under the car and we're taking off the trans brackets, and as you can tell, the big mess on the ground. There's a lot of seam sealer from the factory and we had to get that off with the air chisel. We ran out of blades for our angle grinder. That stuff is messy. It was all over my chest, all over my face, and we wore these face masks. You might think it's silly, but stuff protected me. And while we're under there, it's kind of hard to see because the lights are up top. But we have this piece of crap AutoZone light, and that thing, you bump it and it'll turn off. It's pretty funny. But
yeah. Can't buy presents though this close to Christmas because you never know what's going to happen with Christmas presents, and you know, they'd have our behind if we bought something that was waiting on us under the tree. So we're dealing with this for now, but it's better than nothing, so we'll make do.
After we get that seam sealer off, I'll see if I can show you guys, but we're gonna have to take off these tack welds and spot welds. But lucky for us, where's that drill at? We got ourselves a 90-degree drill adapter bit thing. And that'll help us a lot to get all these off.
Alright, so let's get to it. Set my coat down. That stuff's delicious. There's your battle tool. Swap me out for this. How you like them glasses? Oh yeah. Alright.
Talking about face protection and I forgot mine.
You know what? Here, take these. Because we're all about protection, guys. You want to make sure you're doing all this the right way. Don't hurt yourself on something stupid. Want to switch it over to like the hammer mode?
Yeah.
Alright, let's pull.
It should kind of like pop out whenever it comes, or
I'm not sure, honestly, bro.
Probably have to drill that one out again.
Now, if these things don't work too good, then we might just have to air chisel this whole thing out.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're back. Now the last time that we left off, these brackets, we were trying to get them out, and honestly they kicked our behind. So the little drill bits that we used didn't necessarily work out the greatest. Let me take you up under here and show you what we have going on. Now we got some nice lights as well. But we have this bracket out. This one actually came out not too bad, but drilling those spot welds are a pain in the ass. So what we did is we ended up just taking a air hammer and chisel. But since these brackets here are doubled up, it's kind of a pain. So now we're going to use a cutoff wheel and grinder and cut these things out.
Yeah, hopefully that'll make it go a lot smoother.
Yeah, but we want to be transparent, let you know that everything on this build doesn't go, smoothly. So we're going to get this out. So let us get our protection up, and then we'll get back under here with a grinder and we'll show it to you. we're filming with our phone now because we were trying to get some cool shots for you with the camera, but apparently the grinder won, and we're having to cut episode 3 a little bit short, but we do have new lenses ordered for the camera, so that should be in. We're still going to continue to film for you guys, and got that trans tunnel out finally.
Yeah. People say it's one of the worst things, and they aren't wrong. That thing gave us so much trouble and everything, but we got them out. So
yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for sticking with us on Project Restore Life, and we'll see you in episode 4.